Stop paying their mortgage. Saving for your first house is not about luck. It's about a 4-part blueprint. In the next 5 minutes, I'll give you the exact steps you need to go from zero to down payment. Let's get started. Part 1. Define your goal and budget. First, you need a target number. The down payment is 5% to 20% of the price. Plus, don't forget closing costs. That's another 2% to 5%. Tally that up. That's your total goal. Next, the budget audit. You must track every single dollar for 30 days. Where is the money going? It's often not where you think. Then you pay yourself first. Create a realistic savings rate you can hit every month and put that money away before paying any other bills. Finally, set a timeline. Divide your target number by your monthly savings rate. Need 40,000, saving 1,000 a month. That's 40 months. You now have a finish line. Part 2. Maximize your savings. This is where we start cutting the fat. We target the big 3 cuts: housing, transportation, and food. Could you temporarily downsize, grab a roommate, or use public transport? These are the biggest wins. Next, tackle debt. High-interest credit card debt is actively fighting your savings goal. Pay it off first to free up that cash flow for your house fund. Be ruthless. Review subscriptions, dining out, and impulse purchases. If you're not using it, cancel it. Part 3. Boost your income. Saving is one half of the equation. Earning more is the other. Get a side hustle. Freelance, drive, or sell off unused assets. That extra income goes directly into your house fund. No exceptions. If you can, negotiate a raise or a promotion. The biggest boost will always come from increasing your primary income source. Part 4. Where to keep your money. You need 2 things: safety and liquidity. Separate your funds and use a high-yield savings account. Your money is safe, accessible, and it's earning you a much better interest rate while you wait. Avoid the stock market, because you'll need this cash in the next few years. You cannot risk market volatility. Safety is key. Finally, research first-time homebuyer programs. State and federal grants, tax credits, and down payment assistance can drastically cut your target number. Saving for a house is a marathon, not a sprint. Follow this blueprint and you will unlock the door to your own home. Hit the like button, subscribe for more real estate tips, and tell me in the comments, what city are you hoping to buy in? Stop using a regular savings account. If your money isn't working for you, you're losing the race. Here is the one change that will shave 18 months off your savings timeline. Paying $2,000 in rent, you're paying their mortgage. I'm giving you the 4-part blueprint professional investors use to buy property. Part 1 will shock you. You think you can't afford a house? Wrong. Everyone gets stuck on the down payment. But the real killer is closing costs. Here's how to negotiate them down to $0. I was saving $200 a month for 2 years and got nowhere. Then I used the pay yourself first rule and bought a house in 14 months. Lastly, the bubble effect. Focused on politics and government, some feel DC is isolated from the rest of the country's everyday concerns. In the end, moving to Washington, D.C. offers unparalleled opportunities in a historic, vibrant setting, but it demands a hefty budget and tolerance for its fast-paced political pulse. Weigh these pros and cons carefully. If you've lived in D.C., share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.